You hear nothing but your beating heart. No, we don't mean to be all alone. Such a hard way to treat your soul. Is it love that complicates our easy line of are we okay? Do we know what we're afraid of? That it's not the stuff we were made of. We are breath of life in this earth. We will learn that love will not burn you, dear. See, we're just like a prodigal child, tame hearts thinking ourselves wild. We forgot how to seek out God, tried to capture light with applause. You believe what you cannot see, but not what you do, 'cause it's only me. I see your life like the light of a burning fire. It catches me lost over the miles, do we know what we're afraid of? That it's not the stuff we were made of. We are breath of life in this earth. We will learn that love will not burn you, dear. Oh dear, my dear. Oh dear, dear. Oh dear, my dear. Oh dear. Thanks. We're loose, and hi to you and to everybody online, and thanks for watching. And this is awesome to be able to play Asheville for the very first time, and especially for a tornado relief benefit. If you'd like to give to that cause and you're watching on one of the cameras that I don't know where they are, there's a link to donate, and do so. And we're going to play some songs as a soundtrack to that. 1, 2, 3, 4. the front page only but being fine. But they sell me short and they keep the change. Oh, they get me lost on the target range. Slice little fever for the sentimental times. You can make the front page only by being fine, but where would what amazes you're breaking me? Easy anger witness where I breathe. Cumulus anchor, you carry our darkest dream. But these wood smoke hangers heal our children's feet. What's with the numbers? They never saved you. Were you alive? More would amaze you. What are we asking for? What are we asking for? face my Savior searing inside me. All surround me, strangers sharing all I. Oh, some behavior, oh, what could that be? Just a poet trader dressed like a pretty scene. What's with the numbers? They never seem to, but you alive. More would amaze you. What are we asking for? What are we asking for? Thank you. There is no antidote to the water break. Let's do another song. For those of you that are wondering, Jeremy just promised that he will not forget that fucking drum part. So, you'll know the fucking drum part when you hear it too. I know you wonder why I crossed that line. Causing you trouble when your world felt fine. No way to choose between the songs and signs. Keeps you running cause it don't look nice. Sing it low, no, just sing it high. Oh no, that's no way to lose your life. Just move along, no, but stay right here. You're always so deep in the trenches, dear. No, we'll sing it slow, not to worry your heart with thinking it's wrong, and it's all about thoughts. Just hold on to me, love. Just hold on to me, love. Truth ain't divvied up on two sides. You got your friend, got your foe, got your party line. Got no enemies when you're half alive. You got no hope, and when you just survive. Sing it low, no, but sing it high. Just that's no way to lose your life. Will you move along? No, but you stay right always in the trenches, dear. Oh, we'll sing it slow, not to worry your heart with thinking it's wrong and it's all about thoughts. Just hold on to me, love. Hold on to me, love. Thank you, guys.
That fucking drum part was awesome.
That's good to hear. He's being modest, but not in like the nice modest. I'm Steven, in case you're wondering. Yes, this is Kevin. That's Jeremy on drums. This is David on bass. This is Andy on, the other of the three guitars. Never enough guitars, I say. Am I in the wrong key again? Oh, cool, it's way up there. Again, if you're watching, there on the interweb, there are ways to donate to tornado relief. Do that. Oh, that someone might pray. Could you come calling another day? The children prayed, the preacher preached. Time and mercy are out of your reach. Oh, down. Oh, down. Could you spare me over for another year? Oh, Dad, please consider my age. Could you not take me at this stage? My wealth is all at your command. If you remove your icy hand, is just for effect. Said with my last dying breath, hoping there's more than goodbyes. Oh me, oh mine. And I call out your name. If I could think what to say every day after that, I'd be wishing you back. Ooh, you know, only put a show on. Ooh, I know it's gonna shake you to your soul. Move a little slow. You put your foot down and you fool around. You pressure mounts when there's a camera rolling.
We're a band. We play music. And for
We are
tornadoes.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Go, no,
For
you're doing great.
tornadoes. We play music for tornadoes, yes.
I got a good story.
Oh no.
I will relay it.
The greatest show I've ever seen was this really shitty.
I don't think you're up.
It's a really shitty like punk band, and they weren't very good. But I think halfway through the set, the band realized that they weren't doing very good, and so the singer leaves the stage, the band's still playing, and he finds whatever trash can is nearby, and he pulls it on the stage. It's like a regular sized garbage can, and it's filled with bottles because they're late in the set, so a lot of people have been drinking. And while the band's still playing, he's not singing the parts, and there's clearly supposed to be parts. It's not like an instrumental part of the song. He climbs headfirst into the garbage can, and I guess he just placed some bottles and they fell out. And he's in there like with his feet sticking out for probably 20 minutes. And the whole time, this show becomes the greatest show, just simply at this point. But then he reemerges, completely covered in blood and pieces of glass, and then he gets up and does another song. Greatest show I've ever seen.
All right. I didn't see that coming either, and I know him. We're gonna play like two more, and then we'll be gone, and other great music will come on time probably too. And we thank you for it's pretty weather outside and you're in here. That's really sweet. Same for you if you're looking at your computers inside. We're Luz, L-U-Z, and so to help you remember, we made our website luzwithaz.com. Unless, of course, you forget about the Z, and then that makes no sense, and you'd have no idea how to find us. So, I don't know if he's tweeting or texting or emailing.
All the above.
All of the above. The iPhone, ladies and gentlemen. Not even the 4. Fears at the foot of the stairs. You lopsided lovers and your brother's despair. Big talk about the wars you've seen, but not one word about the weapons of peace. Your world overseas are really in these parts. We'll trade one for another till we change our heart. Twist your religion into shapes unseen and share it like a new definition of freedom. Don't be lost to a love, lost to a love. Don't be lost to a love, lost to a love. Who lays down arms will be the first to die. So say the creatures who have first to lie. There's no new Messiah, only what you see. Just heart sick, hoping for unity. fool, just you crazy man. I'll give you all the love that this girl can stand, all your girl can stand. Build this home out of whatever you want, be it summer branches or the quiet wind. Call me home with the ringing bell. If you're hot, hanging on like hell, hanging on like hell. In the sun will set on the summer dress. Breath by breath, I'll hear that thunder roll. Where the twilight shines on your southern vine. Get you lost this time, I'll bring you home. On your summer drive, oh, breath by breath, I'll sing you home. That was so much fun. Thank you. Thanks for hanging. Thanks for organizing this wonderful benefit and letting us be a part of it. And we look forward to more love thing-ish. Bye.